What is up, guys? This is SMR Productions coming back at you with a brand new video. And in today's video, we're going to be making some chicken Alfredo. So, ingredients you'll need is chicken. Ew, why is that wet? Chicken, Alfredo sauce, and then the noodles. So, first things first, we're gonna get the chicken boiling. So, just gonna grab this one. Just gonna fill this up. Okay, that should be good. It might be a little full, but yeah. Alright, so now with the chicken, ew, this smells. So we're just gonna put now. Usually you would want to get the water boiling first, but I didn't think of that right now. So you know what, we're just gonna do all of it. Okay, so now you want to set your water to about medium high, and then this will boil for about like I usually let it boil for about 10 like 20 minutes or so, and then once this is done boiling, I will cut this, and then I'll get back to you guys. See you later. Alright, guys, so one thing I forgot is the noodles, so I'm gonna do that right now. So we're just gonna once again fill this up about maybe like I don't know, three quarters of the way. I don't know. I don't cook too much, guys. So yeah. Okay, that should be good. Now, just gonna put that on there. And then with this one, we want to also set it to about medium, medium high. So now we're gonna take our noodles, and these are spaghetti noodles, but oh well. So we're just gonna simply, well, what I usually do is just take about a good handful of these. That wasn't a handful, but oh well. We're just gonna break them up. That way they cook easier, and that way we can have more. Right, so I'm just gonna speed this clip up. That way you guys don't watch me break noodles. Alright, guys, so now that this is all good, we're gonna let these boil for about noodles. I usually boil for about 12 minutes, so I'll catch you guys later. Alright, guys, so the noodles are done, so I'm gonna check them real quick, make sure they're good. Just gonna, I wish I had that noodle spoon, but I don't think I do. So anyways, just gonna get a noodle. You know what I like to do is I like to just try it. Okay, I was wrong. They're not done. So let's let this sit for another 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll be back. Alright, guys, so the noodles are done, so we're just gonna go ahead and turn the heat off from there. Chicken's done, so we're also gonna turn this off. Alright, now I ran into a problem. Tip, when you guys make chicken Alfredo or anything regarding in that, like when you're boiling stuff, always make sure you guys have a pot with handles on it, because if you guys, let me turn this around, if you guys look, there's no handles. So luckily this has a lid to where like you can just dump it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over here and grab another glove and we're gonna dump this. Okay, so hold up, let me make sure it's locked first, because I can see this going very badly. Oh yeah, we're fine. Alright, so now we're just gonna simply tilt this. Ow, 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 ow. Ow. Okay guys, so my camera stopped recording because my storage got full. So why am I yelling? So if you guys didn't, I don't know if it captured it or not, but yeah, this just burned me. So we're just gonna go like this and kind of shake out all the stuff out of here. And we're just gonna put this back on the stove and take this glove off. Ah, goddamn, that hurt. Alright guys, so tip number 1, make sure your pot has handles. That way you don't get burned like I just did. Alright, so now we are going to pop this open. Now, as you guys see, let me get a needle real quick. As you guys see, like, it comes apart nice and easily. This is how you want it to do. Ooh, it's sticking too. So, what we're gonna do, since it's sticking, I don't have olive oil, but I have this oil. Now we're just gonna put a little bit of this. Just a little bit. There we go. That should be fine. And then I'm just gonna kind of mix this around a little bit. Alright. Now what we're gonna do is simply take our chicken it would help if I open them. Okay, now we're just gonna drop that on there, and now let me show you guys a way to check non-visually how to check chicken. So we're gonna grab a knife. This will work. Damn it. This will be fine. So basically what you guys want to do is you want to cut into the middle of the chicken. It's easier said than done. Plus I got a dull knife too. I got a butter knife, so I would go with like a sharper knife than this. So anyways, what you want to do is, as you guys can see on camera, it's really hot, and now if you guys feel, take your fingers and you feel like, you'll feel it kind of dry. That's how you want it to be. So now I will cut back and I will chop this all up and we'll finish. Alright guys, so after cutting all this chicken up, I transferred over to this bowl. So the craziest shit just happened right now. So before I tried to get the other can open, did not work out. This one, it worked out. So we're just gonna add this other can in, or jar, whatever it is. I'm just gonna. But anyways, guys.